Hi everyone, this video I'm just going to show you quickly how to price up your property when the team reaches out to you to tell you that they are ready for pricing. So once you've got your price labs log in and naturally log in, and if you go up the top here and then click review prices, it will bring down the properties that are within your account, and then from there you'll identify which properties need to be I just need to actually choose this which properties need to be priced. We'll give you the heads up on what needs doing, and then you need to go in and set your initial pricing. And then if you want to know how to then price your properties thereafter, watch the next video in this category, and that will show you how to do exactly that. So as you see here, if we just go to review prices, so assuming this one was not set, so here first and foremost, if you don't click this sync prices on, it won't feed your prices to the channels, and therefore it won't set your property live. So you need to make sure you click that when you're done. But up here you won't have a base rate, so it'll all be blank, and this will probably be set at a very high price, which is what we do to ensure that we don't get any bookings until you've set the prices that you want. If you click on help me choose a base price, I think this is not a bad tool to use. It gives you a bit of a guide. I think sometimes local knowledge helps, but if you don't have local knowledge, or this is your first property in a certain area, then this is as good as anything. You know, they do feed a lot of data into this system. So you've got a recommended price, which is based on like how it's performing, but really when you want to set your price, you want to go market based, and then you want to be deciding. I take out all of the stuff. For example, if this is a 2-bed, I'll unclick all of the others, and you can see there the difference in the price. So I just want comparison with 2 beds because this is a 2-bed. And then depending on, if I know it's either not a great property or maybe in a bad area, I'll use low. If it's sort of standard run-of-the-mill type stuff, I'll use medium. If it's high, like really nicely done out, it's maybe got a couple of cool features, maybe like a hot tub or something like that, then I'll choose high. And as you can see, the price differs depending on what you want to set it at. So typically most of them will probably use this medium, so it would be at 132. I would probably price that at either probably 129, just to be a tiny bit cheaper than what this is recommending, because most people will probably just go with the 132, and that might just give us that competitive advantage on the booking channels. You click confirm base rate, and then it would come into here. Then what you want to do is hit save and refresh, toggle it on here, and then click sync now, and then that's your property live on Price Labs. And then watch the next video to understand how you then manage your prices on a weekly basis.